Hi friends, welcome to all. In this video we are going to see the lab activity Troubleshooting EtherChannel. Here we can see our topology. Also we can see addressing table, VLAN assignments. We will go through the objectives of this lab activity. In part 1, build the network and load device configurations. In part 2, troubleshoot EtherChannel. Also, we will go through the background. The switches at your company were configured by an inexperienced network administrator. Several errors in the configuration have resulted in speed and connectivity issues. Your manager has asked you to troubleshoot and correct the configuration errors and document your work. Using your knowledge of EtherChannel and standard testing methods, find and correct the errors. Ensure that all of the Ether channels use port aggregation protocol, that is PAGP, and that all hosts are reachable. Here we can see the required resources, 3 switches, 2960, 2 PCs, also Ethernet cables. Coming to part 1, build the network and load device configurations. In part 1, we will set up the network topology, configure basic settings on the PC host, and load configurations on the switches. Right, so coming to step 1, cable the network as shown in the topology. So we will build and design this topology on the Cisco packet tracer. Here we required 3 2960 switches, then 2 PCs, and now we will connect these devices from fast Ethernet 0/4, fast Ethernet 0/4, fast Ethernet 0/3, fast Ethernet 0/3, then fast Ethernet 0/1, fast Ethernet 0/1, then fast Ethernet 0/2, fast Ethernet 0/2, fast Ethernet 0/3, fast Ethernet 0/1, fast Ethernet 0/4, fast Ethernet 0/2. Now we will connect these PCs to switches. Fast Ethernet 0/6 to this PCA, fast Ethernet 0/18 to this PCC. Also we will rename these devices. This is S1, S2, S3, this is PC-A, and this is PC-C. We will label the port channels. This is port channel 2, and here we have a port channel 1. Also this is port channel 3. Now we will come to step 2, configure the PC host. So we will get the IP address of these PCs. Here we can see the IP address of PCA. We will copy this address. Also we can see the subnet mask. Coming to PCA, desktop IP configuration, IP address. Here is the IP address and the subnet mask. Now we will come to PCC. It's a 0.3. Desktop IP configuration 0.3, and here is the subnet mask. Coming to step 3, erase the startup and VLAN configurations and reload the switches. Right, coming to step 4, load switch configurations. Load the following configurations into the appropriate switch. All switches have the same passwords. The privileged exit password is class. The password for console and VTY access is Cisco. As all switches are Cisco devices, the network administrator decided to use Cisco's PAGP on all port channels configured with EtherChannel. Switch S2 is the root bridge for all VLANs in the topology. Now we are going to copy these configurations and we are going to load into these switches directly. Before that, we will copy these configurations. First of all, we will copy the configuration of S1 and we will keep it on a notepad. Also S2 configuration. Switch S2 configuration, right? Also switch S3 configuration. Now we will load this configuration on these switches. First of all, we will load S1 configuration. Here is that. We will copy these commands and coming to S1 CLI, and here we are going to paste this. Enable configure terminal, and we will paste it here, right? Now we will load it on switch S2. Here is the commands. Coming to S2, enable configure terminal, and here we are going to give those commands, right? Now we will load it on S3. Coming to S3 CLI, enable configure terminal, and here we are going to paste all the commands. Coming to step 5, save your configurations on all these 3 switches. Coming to S1, copy running config, startup config. Coming to S2, copy running config, startup config, and coming to S3, copy running config, startup config. So these are the configurations done by an inexperienced network administrator. So now we are going to troubleshoot these EtherChannel configurations. Now we will come to part 2, troubleshoot EtherChannel. In part 2, we must examine the configurations on all switches, make corrections if needed, and verify full functionality. Coming to step 1, troubleshoot S1. A. Use the show interfaces trunk command to verify that the port channels are functioning as trunk ports. Do port channels 1 and 2 appear as trunk ports? We have to check that. Coming to the switch S1, and here we are going to give the command show interfaces trunk, and here we can see the output. Here we cannot see the port channels 1 and 2 as trunked ports. Coming to B, use the show EtherChannel summary command to verify that interfaces are configured in the correct port channel, the proper protocol is configured, and the interfaces are in use. Coming to S1, here we are going to give the command show EtherChannel summary, and here we can see the output. Here we can see port channel 1 and 2, and here we can see the flags SD and SU. Also, we can see the protocols LACP and PAGP used here. Also, here we can see the flag I. Here we can see D is for down and I is for standalone. Next is based on the output, are there any third channel issues? Yes, we have seen some issues. If issues are found, record them in the space provided below. Coming to S1, here we can see the port channel 1 is configured with the link aggregation control protocol, that is LACP. Here we can see that. Also, we can see that ports are functioning independently. Here we can see the flag I, that means standalone. Here we can see that. Coming to C, use the command show run begin interface port channel command to view the running configuration beginning with the first port channel interface. So we will copy this command, and coming to the switch S1, and here we are going to paste that, and here we can see the details. Interface port channel 1. Here we can see switch port mode trunk. Coming to interface port channel 2. Here we can see here the switch port mode is access. And coming to the interface fast Ethernet 0/1, here we can see channel group 1, here they given the mode as active. And for this interface fast Ethernet 0/2 also we can see the same channel group 1 mode active. It's desirable, right. Coming to D, resolve all problems found in the outputs from the previous show commands. Record the commands used to correct the configurations. Right, so we will directly implement on S1. Configure terminal, we will go to the interface as a range fast Ethernet 0/1-2, and here we are going to remove the channel group 1 mode active, and here we are going to add channel group 1 mode desirable. Also, we will go to the interface port channel 2. Here we will make the switch port mode as a trunk. Copy running config, startup config. Coming to E, use the show interfaces trunk command to verify trunk settings. Coming to S1, here we are going to give a show interfaces trunk. Yes, now we can see port channel 1 and 2. Here we can see the status trunking native VLAN 99. Coming to F, use the show a third channel summary command to verify that the port channels are up and in use. Right, coming to S1, here we are going to give the command show a third channel summary, and here we can see port channel 1 and 2. Here we can see now it's up. Also we can see it's P, but here we can see the protocol still shows LACP, but we configured a desirable. We can check that using the show running config. Here we can see coming to the interface fast Ethernet 0/1 mode is desirable, fast Ethernet 0/2 mode is desirable. Anyway, we have to check the set configurations on this switch S3 also, right. Coming to step 2, troubleshoot S2. A, issue the command to verify that the port channels are functioning as trunk ports. Record the command used in the space provided below. Here we are going to use the show command, show interface as a trunk. Coming to S2, Password is Cisco. Enable password is class. Show interfaces trunk. And here we can see the details. But here we can see only one port channel, that is port channel 1. Here we can see we have port channel 1 as well as port channel 3. Here port channel 3 is missing, right? And we can see port channel 1 VLAN allowed on trunk is only 1 and 99. Here we cannot see the VLAN 10. So VLAN 10 is also missing. It is not allowing VLAN 10. Based on the output, are there any issue with the configurations? Yes, we have seen some issues. If issues are found, record them in the space provided below. So here we have seen two problems. So one is port channel 3 is not present in the output. Also VLAN 10 is not allowed in this port channel 1. Coming to B, issue the command to verify that interfaces are configured in the correct port channel and the proper protocol is configured. Right, coming to S2, here we are going to give the command show a third channel summary, and we will verify that. Here we can see port channel 1 and 3, protocol PAGP, right, 1 2 3 4, but here we can see the flag is a D we can see it's down. That means this port channel 3 is down. Based on the output, are there any third channel issues? Yes, we have seen the issue here. This third channel is down. Here we can see the flag D here used. D is for down. So this port channel 3 is down here. If issues are found, record them in the space provided below. Right. Coming to C, use the command show run begin interface port channel to view the running configuration beginning with the first port channel interface. We will copy this show command here and coming to S2, and we will paste it here, and here is the output. Here we can see port channel 1. Here we can see switch port trunk allowed VLAN only 1 and 99. Here VLAN 10 is not allowing. Port channel 3. Coming to the interface, fast Ethernet 0/1. Here we can see switch port trunk allowed VLAN 1 and 99. And also coming to the interface, fast Ethernet 0/2. Switch port trunk allowed VLAN 1 and 99. And this is fast Ethernet 0/3. It's correct. But here we can see this interface is down. Coming to fast Ethernet 0/4. It's correct. Desirable. And here also we can see this interface is down. Coming to D, resolve all problems found in the outputs from the previous show commands. Record the commands used to correct the configurations. Right, so we will implement on this switch S2. Configure terminal. We will go to the interface, fast Ethernet 0/3 and 4, and we will bring this interface up. We have to give us a range. Then we are going to give a no-shut command. Right. Also we will go to the interface, port channel 1, and here we are going to give switch port trunk allowed VLAN 1, 10, 99. So here we included 10. Copy running config, startup config. Coming to E, issue the command to verify trunk settings. Coming to S2, here we are going to give a show interfaces trunk, and here we can see the port channel 1, and still we cannot see this port channel 3. Status trunking, native VLAN 99. Now we can see VLANs allowed on trunk 1, 10 and 99. So here this port channel 3 is not listed because we have to check the configuration on this S3 also. Coming to F, issue the command to verify that the port channels are functioning. Remember that port channel issues can be caused by either end of the link. Exactly, this is what I told previously. We have to check the configuration on the switch S3 also, right? Coming to S2, and here we are going to give the command show a third channel summary, and here we can see the details. And here we can see still this port channel 3 is down, so we have to check the configuration on this switch S3. Now we will come to step 3, troubleshoot S3. A. Issue the command to verify that the port channels are functioning as trunk ports. Based on the output, are there any issues with the configurations? If issues are found, record them in the space provided below. Right, we will check that on the switch S3. Coming to the switch S3, password is Cisco, enable password is class. Here we are going to give show interface as a trunk, and here we can see the details. Here we can see the port channel 3, it's trunking, native VLAN 99, VLANs allowed and active in management domain. But here we cannot see the port channel 2. Here port channel 2 is missing. Coming to B, issue the command to verify that the interfaces are configured in the correct port channel and that the proper protocol is configured. Based on the output, are there any other channel issues? If issues are found, record them in the space provided below. Right, we will check that. Coming to S3, here we are going to give the command show a third channel summary, and here we can see the output. Here we can see the port channel 3 is present, but port channel 2 is not present. Also we can see that port channel 3 is incorrectly configured for interfaces fast Ethernet 0/3 and fast Ethernet 0/4. Coming to our topology, here we can see port channel 3. Here the interfaces are, here we can see that fast Ethernet 0/1 and 0/2. But here it shows 0/3 and 0/4. Coming to C, use the command show run begin interface port channel command to view the running configuration beginning with the first port channel interface. Right, so we will copy this show command, and coming to S3, here we can see the details. Here we can see the interface fast Ethernet 0/1 is shut down. Also we can see the interface fast Ethernet 0/2 is also down. Coming to the interface fast Ethernet 0/3, here we can see the mode is desirable. We have to change that. Also in this interface fast Ethernet 0/4, here we can see the mode is desirable. Coming to D, resolve all problems found. Record the commands used to correct the configuration. Right, we will implement that on this switch S3. Configure terminal, we have to go to the interface as a range fast Ethernet 0/3 and 4, and here we are going to give channel group 2 mode as a desirable. Also now we'll go to the interface or range fast Ethernet 0/1 and 2. Here we are going to give a switch port mode as a trunk. Also switch port a trunk, native VLAN 99, and here we are going to create the channel group 3, mode as a desirable. Also we are going to give a no-shut command. Copy running config, startup config. Coming to E, issue the command to verify trunk settings. Record the command used in the space provided below. So we have to use the show command, show interface as trunk. Coming to S3, show interfaces trunk, and now we can see port channel 2 and 3 status is trunking, and we can see native VLAN. Here we can see it's 1, so we will change that to 99, right? And VLANs allowed, right? Now we will go to port channel 2, switch port trunk native VLAN 99. Yes, consistency restored. Now we will check show interfaces trunk. Yes, now we can see native VLAN 99 on port channel 2 and 3. Coming to F, issue the command to verify that the port channels are functioning. Record the command used in the space provided below. So here we are going to use the show EtherChannel status command. Show EtherChannel summary, right? We are not status, here we are going to use summary. And here we can see port channel 2 and port channel 3. Here we can see the ports. Also we can see the flag P. Now this port channel is up. Everything correct. Coming to step 4, verify EtherChannel and connectivity. Yeah, use the show interfaces EtherChannel command to verify full functionality of the port channels. We will check it on S1. Cisco enable password is class show interfaces EtherChannel. And here we can see the details. Here we can see all the details of each interfaces. Fast Ethernet 0/2, 0/3, and 0/4. Port channel 2, port channel 1. Right. Coming to B, verify connectivity of the management VLAN. Can S1 ping S2? Can S1 ping S3? Can S2 ping S3? We will verify that. First of all, we will ping from S1 to S2. We will get the IP address of S2. Here is that. Coming to S1. Here we are going to ping to S2. Here we can see success rate is 100%. Now we will ping from S1 to S3. Here is the IP address of S3. Ping to S3. Here we can see success rate is 100%. Also we will ping from S2 to S3. Cisco enable class ping to S3. Here is the IP address. Here we can see success rate is 100%. Suppose if you are not getting the ping successful, then once you have to reload all the switches and you can try it. Coming to C, verify connectivity of PCs. Can PCA ping PCC? We will check that. First of all, we will get the IP address of PCC. Here is the IP address. Coming to PCA, command prompt, and here we are going to ping to PCC. Here is the IP address. Here we can see we are getting the replay. If third channels are not fully functional, connectivity between switches does not exist, or connectivity between hosts does not exist. Troubleshoot to resolve any remaining issues. So we done everything well. It may be necessary to disable the PC firewall for pings between the PCs to succeed. Anyway, we are using this Cisco packet tracer. If you are using the real system, so we have to disable this PC firewall. Well, that's all in this lab activity, that is a troubleshooting a third channel. Friends, if you have any doubt in this lab activity, please comment below. Also, if you like my video, give a thumb and share to your friends. Also, if you like to get my future uploading video info directly into your Gmail, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you.